All right, today we're going to take a run with the JB4. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect to the unit and see what we get. While you're out testing your JB4, make sure to get that special person in your life some flowers. Let them know how much you appreciate them. And for supporting sometimes the craziest pursuits of life. So as we're out here testing out the JB4, getting some data logged here. Why is it that for every YouTube video where somebody accelerates very fast in the car, this is their reaction? Wow. Yeah. I mean, it never ceases to fail. Before we go ahead and get started talking through the JB4 app, just wanted to let you know if you get this error because you purchased a used JB4, it's because it's still linked to the other person's account. So go ahead, hit the unlock button. It will populate an email with the address to the JB4 company. It says 24 hours for response time. They were pretty quick and got me up and running. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so after having a good little time out on the road, logging some data, let's go ahead and look at the JB4 app. So here's the app. So all you have to do is tap on connect. It will link up to the Bluetooth system, do the little handshake, and connect to the system. And so as we're connected to the system now, you have the ability to start logging, which is the green bar at the bottom. You can see here you have the option and the ability to configure these gauges. So here are all the gauge options that you can choose. So these are all the gauge options that you can use. You can set up your gauge screen to your liking, however you please. So I'm here on an Android device, so since I'm in here, you hit the back button, it doesn't go back. So what I do is I'm just going to hit the log button and then go back to the gauges. So you can see here, I've got speed, RPM, boost, oil temperature, calculated torque, and the map. So as you can see, it's just going to read, get those readings from the ECU, bring them back here, show them on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the map section. That's not the right section. That again is just for the gauge. I'm going to show you where you can go ahead and modify the map. I believe it's over here in settings. So when I log in into the settings, and I tap on map, this is now where you can change the fuel map of the vehicle. So you can see here you have factory, you've got 91, 93, 98, so on. So right now we're running on the 93 octane. So let's go ahead, update that map, and it saved that map. So we're running 93 octane. We're out here in the North Carolina area. 93 is available. In California, they had 91. So the guy who had the vehicle had it set to 91. So we've got it updated to 93. So that should be good to go. You can also read any codes that are on the ECU. And then here are the logs from the test run. So if I just open one of these logs, you can email it. It is a CSV file. You can email it. You can delete it. You can preview it. It says here you need a CSV viewer. Or we can graph it. So when you hop in this graph here, you can see the various components that are tracked. So yeah, right here at the bottom, this little gear, if you tap on this gear right here, you can come into the settings and choose whichever items you want to see placed on the graph. So if we wanted to add the load or the pedal, let's go ahead and add the pedal in. We go back. Now you can see that that pedal has been added to the graph. So that in essence is the functionality of the JB4 app. Yeah, that's it in short. So there you have it. Pretty neat. You tag this right along on your ECU, piggybacks on top of there, gets you some additional horsepower. So hope this video can help somebody out so they can see and learn. If they had any questions about the JB4, obviously go to their website, check it out. They offer the JB4 for various manufacturer and models. Hope this video was helpful to someone, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.